Well, today has been a very hectic day because we've been working to coordinate things in preparation for the funeral. Everything is going well. There's a lot of requests from the media, from the various embassies. We expect a lot of people, and we don't know how long the line is going to be, but probably several hours for people who would like to come and just to pay their respects. And the government is also giving support to this. And I am hoping, of course, that everything will go well tomorrow in a dignified way that befits the president of a great country, a great reformer, the man who ended the Cold War. So we expect that that'll be a befitting tribute to President Gorbachev.